Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 5-06, the Crankshaft Oil Filler Boss for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Okay, let's go file, new, part MM. Okay, let's go top plane, sketch. We're going to do a rectangle. Then we're going to do a semicircle, so this one here, which is going to be clicking halfway there, Oop. Oh. Rectangle, thank you. Clicking halfway there and around, beautiful. Then we want to go to trim, there we go, nice. Now we want smart dimension, which is going to be 25 wide, 25. It's going to be, without by mistake. Now this is going to be C1.5 minus 12.5. Oop. Try again. C1.5, 30, thank you, minus 12.5. Just there, that's nice. Oh, that should be there. There we go. And yeah, let's do this to 12.5, and that's locked in. So from there to there should be 31. Let's just confirm that. So if we go from there to there, just there, that'll do it. This confirmation. 31.5, beautiful. Get rid of that, we don't do that center line. And that's locked in. That's good. Yep. Feature extrude, gonna be 25 mid plane. And done. It's gonna state that material. Now we want at the end of this one here, at the end of this flat surface, sketch, circle in the middle, which is going to be a diameter of 19, extrude out of 6. That should be good. Oh, yep, that's it. Perfect. Probably looking straight. Looks like it doesn't do anything. Okay, so now down, we want to go this one here. Let's see, normal to, sketch, circle. We want touch the edge there to get the center here. That's going to be 16. Thank you. So that's locked in. That can extrude down. Can do some calculations here. So it's going to extrude down to the bottom of this circle here. So it's actually line up there. So we're going to go feature, extrude. So it's going to be 19. So it's going to be, 25 minus 25 minus 19. Oop. Over there. Divide by 2. I need another bracket, I know. Let's see if I got that right. So it's 25 width. Then we want to find what this is here. So 25 minus 19, but we only want half that divided by 2. There we go. 22. Perfect. There you go. So that works out good. Yep. So let's extrude that one out. So that's down there perfectly. Let's now do this one here. I don't need to do normal 2. That's going to be a circle. That's going to be 16. Yes, it is. 16. And that's going to go into up to this one here. So this one should be a bit easier. So we'll go feature, extrude. We want to go up to next. There you go. Or up to surface, and you click on that surface. Does the same thing. But I'm going to go to up to next. That one that works, I know. And that one's in there. There we go. Beautiful. They're both 16. Goes right around the edge there. That is nice. Okay, one thing we want to do is put a chamfer around here. Just on the bottom part. And just there, not this edge here. So if we go fillet, that one there, not quite that big. 1, yep, that works. So 1 millimeter. Let me just have a look at that one. Go normal 2. Yep, that looks good. Looking good. Okay, one thing I'll do is a thread down here. There's no thread on this one, but there's a thread down here, so I need to do a thread. Let me go hole wizard thread. That's 16 it was, yes. Where are we? 4. Go up to where the 1 is. We want 16 by 1.5. Actually, before you do, cancel that. Plane. That one. And done. Now we do the thread. Not. Yeah, thread. Do 16 by 1.5. Click on the outer circle first. Beautiful. Click on that one there. But we want to go down a certain depth, so blind. But we don't want to go down that far. Where are we? 25. If I type 20, that's it. Nope. 15 works. Actually, you know what? I just thought of something. Let me just close that one. Oh, I cut through, that's fine. Extrude. Let me do those 2. Let me finish that one off. Now I'm going to do that one there. I'm going to drop down to there. Now when we do this thread, that doesn't exist. So if we change that to up to selection, and I click on that, which then goes all the way through, or not all the way down the bottom, I mean. There you go. There you go, look at that. We've got thread all the way down. Well, they probably don't need thread all the way down, because it's gone thread all the way down. It's going to, so you probably just need thread to there. So if you did need thread all the way down, that's one way you can do it. Okay, so I'm going to change that back. You don't need thread all the way down there. Let's see now. Blind, 15, and done. Yeah, that's all you need. But that's one way you can do it. There you go, see it down there, that's fine. So it's starting to go down there. So yeah, so if you want to do that, hide you. So that's one way you can do it. Put that thread in before you put that hole in. So that's how you're going to do it. There may be other ways around, but that's one way I've just realised we can do it. Alright, that's part 5-06, the Crankshaft Oil Filler Boss done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe, I do appreciate it. Thank you for everyone's support. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.